The Pacific Ocean is way much bigger than you think. It covers about 1/3 of Earth's surface, totaling 165.25 million square kilometres. This is larger than all the world's continents combined. The Pacific stretches from Indonesia to Colombia. It spans nearly 19,800 kilometres, enough to fit 5 moons within its length. The Pacific's average depth is over 4,000 metres. The Challenger Deep in the Mariana Trench is the deepest point on Earth, at nearly 11 kilometres. The Pacific holds 710 million cubic kilometres of water. This is about half of all the water in Earth's oceans. The Pacific Ocean has over 25,000 islands. Some are extremely remote, like Easter Island, which is over 3,500 kilometres from South America.